Sign in with given username and password. Data request IPYNB file is the main file which helps you to create the data request. Follow the instructions on the file step by step to create your data request. Step 1 is for setting up the environment. Read user instructions for creating a data request in Help folder. Help folder is present on the left pane. From the menu, select the Help folder, double-click to open it. You can review user instructions or expected output examples. User instructions displays images step by step which will help you to create your data request. Going back to our original data request file, which you can click from here, or you can click on the menu folder over here, and this will take you back to the data request file. Select the code box. A blue bar appears on left side. Hit the play button present on the menu ribbon on top of the UI to execute the code. This executes the code. Now move on to step 2 to display the data request form. Click on the code box, a blue bar appears. Now hit the play button to display the data request form. Fill the data request form as per your data requirements. I select de-identified patient data. I keep the year of birth range as it is. For any patient condition, I select low back pain. I keep any drug treatment. I keep start and end date as 1940 to 1950. I select condition drug procedure. I select 100 rows. Now to display the results, I select the code box and hit the play button. This provides me the resulting data set. I review the data set by scrolling left and right. Then I move on to display the graph. For displaying the graph, I select the code box and then I hit the play button, which displays the graph. Similarly, for the second graph, I select the code box and hit the play button. Review your results, and if you want to change the results, you can follow the step 2 and step 3 to change your data set and the resulting graphs.